Oh, we're all cooped up. We're all cooped up and nobody wants to go out in the snow. They don't like this. They don't like this. Well, we finally got a good snow here on the Pretend Farm. We got about 7-8 inches and we've had really cold temperatures. The chickens have stayed in the coop for probably the last 5 days. They haven't even been outside, not even a little bit. And it's mainly because these chickens are sissies. They don't like the way the cold snow feels on their feet. Pretend Farmer wanted to clean the coop out since they've been spending so much time in there. And I also thought I would take this time to throw a fresh bale of straw out. And now they can spend time in their run. And I know they're not going to go too far because they won't leave the straw. But they're very happy to have some outside time now. They're scratching around, they're enjoying themselves. And the temperature, it's 28, 30 degrees right now, which is warmer than it's been all week. So it's kind of like a heat wave, even though like not really. Now this is our first year with bunnies here on the Pretend Farm. And I was wondering what in the world do they do when it snows? So let's go see. Oh boy. There they are. Come on, Tubbies. Took me forever to find this one. I don't know why. They seem perfectly content. There you are. Yes. Good bunny. Till next time, this is the Pretend Farmer signing out.